Toppo Lighting is a professional manufacturer specializing in the R&D, production, and sales of LED lighting products. Toppo established in 2009, the company developed in Shenzhen for over a decade, and, in May 2023, relocated to its self-built industrial park in Huizhou, covering 20,000 square meters. The factory includes a 1,000 square meters SMT workshop and a 15,000 square meters production area with over 12 automated lines, plus a 3,000 square meters workshop for 4 automated rolling production lines, equipped with die casting machines, spray painting workshops, and injection molding equipment, enabling an annual production capacity of $80 million. As a global LED supplier, Toppo's product range spans commercial, office, industrial, educational, and outdoor lighting, offering linear lights, panel lights, waterproof lights, ceiling lights, downlights, and high bay lights. Toppo maintains leadership through a strong R&D team of 20 engineers and a dedicated research lab. Its Shenzhen sales and marketing center, with about 20 sales representatives, ensures quality service. Toppo upholds core values of character, quality, taste, brand, and a people-centered, performance-driven corporate culture, fostering happy work, happy life. With a vision of saving energy as much as possible, brightening the world as much as possible, Toppo continues to produce top-tier LED lights for a bright, modern future.